Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, and the topic name is Partnership Final Accounts. Okay students, chalo, let's start. Read the problem. First read the problem, we'll understand the problem and then we can go ahead in solving it. This is question number 6, page number 58 of government textbooks. Archana and Prerna are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. Now see student, this is important for us. What is the ratio? 2:1. Okay. So the ratio is 2. With the help of following trial balance and adjustment given below, you are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that day. I've already explained to the earlier problems also. Trading account means all the expenses which are related to manufacturing of goods are written in trading account. Profit and loss account means all the expenses which are related to selling of a product is recorded in the profit and loss account. And balance sheet is a statement in which you are writing assets and liability of a firm. Okay, now let's see. Now student, this we have already done. I have done something for you. See, this red marking means there is an adjustment in that. And then I have divided a problem. For example, stock is always of raw materials, so trading account. Patents is balance sheet, debtors is balance sheet, stock of stationery. Yes, this will go directly into the balance sheet. Trademark, balance sheet. Bill receivable, balance sheet. Electricity, profit and loss account. Wages belong to factory, so trading account. Heating and lighting is also required more in factory, to trading account. Capital will go in capital account. Others, loan is a liability, so it will go in balance sheet. Reserve fund means the accumulated profit, it will go in balance sheet. Creditors will go in balance sheet. Bills payable will go in balance sheet. Purchase return is minus from purchase. RDD, you know, I have taught you the formula which has to be written in the profit and loss account. So this will go in less RDD side. Trade expenses, profit and loss account. Sales return, trading account. Land and building, obviously balance sheet. Furniture, balance sheet. Cash at bank, balance sheet. Investment, balance sheet. Drawing is a trading is capital account. Bad debts, profit and loss. Purchase, trading. Sales, trading, and interest is a profit and loss. Okay students, you have understood this. You can do this way first, you know, as soon as you get the problem, first write where the individual item is going to go there. Okay, stock on 31st March was cost price or market price. Do you know what we take? We take whichever is less. So closing stock, cost price is 12,000, market price is 17,000, so we are going to calculate 12,000. Mr. Customer, Mr. Shekhar failed to pay the dues of rupees 800. So when the customer fails to pay your amount, dues, that means he becomes a bad debts. So bad debts will be recorded in minus from sundry debtors. Second, you are going to add in bad debts. 1/5 of patent is return off. So return off is another way of saying is depreciation. So you are going to minus it. A part of furniture, 5,000 is purchased on 1st October. See, 11th standard, you have done a depreciation. So depreciation is a reduction in the value of asset. So you are going to depreciate the asset from the day of purchase. So on 5,000, it will come from 1st October. So October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months. And on remaining amount, it will come for the whole month. Depreciation, land and building, 10% and furniture 5%. Outstanding expenses is wages is 300, electricity. I think this you are knowing it very well. Add in respective expenses and second effect in balance sheet liability set. Interest allowed on capital. Interest allowed on capital is an income for the partners. So partners capital account credit side and second effect will come in profit and loss account debit side. Now let's start doing the posting. The first item is your stock. So where the stock comes, stock is always the first item of trading account. So to stock. Yes. What is the amount of the stock? It's 8560. 8560. Okay. Yes. After that, patents, sundry debtors, stock, trademark, bill receivable, all the items belongs to your balance sheet. Am I correct? So we'll write all. Patent is 2000. It has an adjustment, so inner column. Sundry debtors 18,500. Again an adjustment, so inner column. Stock, no adjustment, directly outer column 3000. Trademarks, directly outer column. This will all come. Yeah, you can do this way. I've just copied it directly. Okay, now data is having an adjustment and patent. So I think I'll just copy the data one and take in a below column, and all other three is not having an adjustment. Okay, and then I'll remove a color also. So, I don't have to again look at the figure and copy from here to there, because in exams you will be both the things you will be having in front of you, so you can directly do it. So pattern is having an adjustment, so you are writing in the outer column, and here there is no adjustment. So no adjustment means directly in the outer column. Okay, students. So pattern is having an adjustment, so inner column stock of stationery will come here. I think this is taking more time, so next time I will not do this. So the stock of stationery is 3000, no adjustment. Trademarks and all that, bill receivable you have an adjustment, datas also you have an adjustments. Okay, students, chalo ahead. Electricity, profit and loss account, wages and heating trading account. Electricity is 1450 having an adjustment, wages 950 having an adjustment, and this heating is having an adjustment. Okay, students, so first we'll go to profit and loss account. Yes, profit and loss account. First, you are having electricity. So you're going to write here to electricity. How much is the electricity? Yes, 1450. So 1450. The other two item was of trading account. What was that? We'll leave something for purchase and then we'll write One was hitting and hitting. So 2 hitting. Hitting and lightning. Okay, there is an adjustment. So this will also come in inner column 950. Then you have a wages. So 2. No, hitting and lightning is not having an adjustment. Wages is having an adjustment. Okay, students. So 950, and then you're going to write here 2 wages. Okay, how much is the wages? 950. And what is the amount of hitting and is 1000. Okay, so this is 1000. So wages is 900, 950, and this is 1000. Okay, so we have just completed this page. We'll go to the next page. Trade expenses will come in profit and loss account. So trade expenses will come in profit and loss account. So trade expenses, yes, no adjustment. So directly to trade expenses. Yes, how much is our trade expenses? Yes, trade expenses is 850. Okay, and then you have sales return, which will come in trading account, that is 400. Sorry, it has to go here. So you're going to write here buy sales less returns. Yes, returns. It is how much? 400. Okay. So sales return is 400. Yes, then land and building is 22,000 having an adjustment, furniture having 13,000 adjustment, cash and bank 5,000, and investment 7,500. Okay, chalo, let's go to directly in the balance sheet side. Yes, so debtors you are having 2 adjustments, so I'll leave at least 3 lines, and then I'll write what I'm going to write here, land and building. Yes, land and building has having an adjustment, so 22,000 was an amount. You leave a space. Yes, we'll go to the another line. Then you have furniture, which is again in having an adjustment. Yes, so what is a furniture amount is 13,000. Yes, then you had cash at bank. Yes, cash at bank was 5,000. You have investment. Yes, investment was how much? 7,500. Okay, 7,500. So we'll see whether we have passed it properly. See, building we did 22,000, furniture 13, cash and bank. Drawings comes in capital account. So Archana is 1,200 and Prerna is 900. So we'll directly go to partner's capital account. We'll write here 2 drawings. Yes. Yes. Yes, drawing. Archana's drawing is how much? 1,200 and Prerna's drawing is 900. Okay, and then you are left off with purchase, bed debts and purchase. Bed debt is 200 and purchase is 23,700. So first we'll do the bed debts. Bed debts is how much? 200, and then we'll go to purchase return. So to purchase less return. purchase return is how much? 1000. Okay students, चलो कितना हो गया हमारा? Almost everything is over. Sorry, not purchase return, it was purchase 23,700. So you will write here purchase 23,700. Okay, the purchase less purchase return is over. So our debit side is fully over. Now we'll go to the credit side of the trial balance. Chalo, creditizes first is capital 20,000 and 40,000. 20,000 Prerna, Archana 40,000. So this will go in capital account. So you'll write by balance brought down. Yes, how much is Archana is 40,000 and Prerna is 20,000. Okay. After that you have others loan 3,000, reserve fund 1,000, creditors 17,500, bills payable 5,000. So all are balance sheet items. So we'll write all in the balance sheet. Okay. So all are balance sheet items. I'm writing here in the balance sheet. Okay. So yes. Okay, so others loan was 3,000, reserve was 1,000, 17,500 and 5,000. Okay students, chalo next. What was the next item? Students, actually when you have a book it become easier. Purchase return is 1,000, RDD is 500 and sales purchase return is 1,000, RDD is 500. Okay, so RDD is 500 and purchase return is 1,000. Okay, chalo next. Sales is 30,200 and interest is 310 rupees. So sales is 30,200 and we will leave one line here by sales. You know why we are leaving the first line. If it is profit, you write here. If it is a loss, you write here. 310. So by this, we have completed the posting of trial balance. Okay, students. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. The posting is going to fetch you minimum 8 to 9 marks in the examination. At least start doing posting properly. Okay, now come to adjustment. This adjustment is very common. Closing stock is valid for first price 12,000, market price 70,000, whichever is less. Yes, whichever is less. Whenever there is two value of closing stock is given, remember you have to take the lesser value. So lesser value is 12,000. And what are the two effects of closing stock? Yes, trading account, credit side and balance sheet, asset side. So you write here by closing stock. Yes, how much is the closing stock? 12,000. Second effect is balance sheet, asset side. Going to write here closing stock. Yes, how much is the closing stock? 12,000. Okay, yeah. Now what's the second effect? What is the second example? This example is very common. It will be there every time. Our customer, Mr. Sekar, fails to pay the due of 800. When the customer is not able to pay the debt, it means bad debt. So bad debts comes where? Obviously on your balance sheet. Yes, it will be less from the debtors. So you write here less RDD. How much is the debtors? 800. Chalo, 18,500 minus 800 is how much? 18,500 minus 800. It comes to 17,700. Am I correct? So that is this time. So 17,700. Okay, students. Chalo, next. What will be the second effect? The second effect will come here. Yes, here you have new RDD 800. Okay, chalo आगे. Patent 1/6 of patent is written off. I told you this is another way of writing the depreciation. What is the patent value? So you write here less yes. So what is 1/8? 1/8 matlab 2000 divided by 8. So that is coming to how much? 250. So here it will come as 250. Okay. चलो minus करके tell me what is the answer. This is going to 1750. Okay, all depreciation will write it together. Okay, now what is the second adjustment? What is your second adjustment? Part of furniture rupees 5,000 was purchased on 1st October. Okay, land and building is 10% and furniture is 5%. We'll do all the depreciation together and then pass the entry in the profit and loss account. Okay, now depreciation. So land and building depreciation is how much? Yes, 10%. So what is the 10%? I've taught you. You just make 1 0 less. So minus this, what will be the answer? Yes, 22,000 minus 2,200. So your answer is coming to 19,800. So 19,800. And then now the depreciation of furniture is very important. Remember it. Now for that you will have to do a working note. Yeah. For that you'll have to do the work. And see, total cost of depreciation is how much? 13,000. 13,000 is a total depreciation. From now this will be divided into two parts. Yes, one is 5,000. Yeah, one is 5,000, which is purchased newly, and remaining 5,000 minus 13,000 is 8,000. This 5,000 is for how many months? It's only for 16 months. Yes. Yeah, this 5,000 was purchased for and on 1st October. 1st October means what? It's there for 6 months. Yeah, 8,000. Now 5,000 you have purchased for 6 months. Am I correct? So what is a 10% of 5,000 is 500. So 5% will be 250. 250 is for the whole year. For the 6 months it is 125. Now 8,000 you are using it for the whole year. So full year is 800. So 400. So this time your depreciation will be, what will be your depreciation? Your depreciation will be 400 plus 125. That is equal to, yes, 525. समझ में आया बच्चों? अगर आपने इन बिटवीन डेप्रीसिएशन किया है, मशीनरी लेट खरीदा है, तो आपको इस तरीके से डेप्रीसिएशन निकालना है. सो 13 को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करो. 5,000 जो आपने अक्टूबर में खरीदा, तो अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 6 मंथ्स का डेप्रीसिएशन. इट इज हाउ मच? 5%. तो 5,000 का 5% इज 250. तो 6 महीने का हो गया 125. 8,000 पूरा साल भर यूज किया, तो उसके ऊपर 5% इज 400. सो 400 प्लस 125 इज हाउ मच? 525. तो आपका डेप्रीसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर इज, यस, डेप्रीसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर इज 525. चलो माइनस करो. 525 कम्स टू 12,475. ओके, नाउ 13,000 माइनस 525. 13,000 minus 525. Now see, this comes to 12,004. So you have 3 depreciation: patent 250, land and building 2,200, and furniture 250. Okay, so now this will go in which account? Profit and loss account. So you're going to write here 2 depreciation. So 2 depreciation. What is the depreciation? Patents. Yes, on patent it was 250. Then you had on land and building. Yes, land and building was 220, and then you had on furniture. Yes, furniture was 525. Now you're going to add all this and bring in the outer column. So 250 plus 2,200 plus 25. Sorry, it is 525. So the total comes to 2975. So the total is 2975. Okay, students, depreciation will also come every time. You have to understand it. Interest on outstanding wages is 300 and electricity is 200. So outstanding means, you know, I have already told you have to add it. So first we'll do it here. Add outstanding. Okay. So how much is the outstanding electricity? 200. So you'll add it, it becomes 1650. The second one is for wages. Add outstanding. How much was the wages? 300. Okay, what is the total of this? Is 1250. Okay, where will the second effect come? The second effect will come in balance sheet, liability side. Yes, yeah, outstanding electricity bill. Yes, outstanding electricity was how much? 300. Electricity was 200, and outstanding wages. Yeah, outstanding wages. What was out? Yes. So student, outstanding wages is how much? 300. So 300. Okay. Now what is left out? Outstanding. Interest allowed on the capital is 3%. So we'll do interest on capital. Chalo. No, we have done this second effect. Yes. So interest on capital. So by interest on capital. Am I correct? Interest on capital. So it is 40,000 into 3%. It is okay. 40,000 into 3%. It comes to 1,200. So obviously 20,000 के ऊपर 600 आएगा. Okay. The second effect will come in here. You'll write here 2 interest on capital. Am I correct? You'll write name of two partners. Two partners is Archana. Archana is having 1,200 and then Prerna. Prerna is 600. So total comes to 1,800. So we have done interest on capital, 2 adjustments. Okay, students. So I think by this we have completed all our adjustments. And this time in the problem there was not even a single hidden adjustments. Okay. Chalo, let's start doing the totaling now. Now the totaling is a very important part. So let's start doing the totaling now. First we'll do the totaling of trading account. Chalo, you'll bring this thing outside. So this becomes 22,700 and this becomes how much? The 30,200 minus this becomes 29,800. Correct? Let's do the totaling. Chalo, देखो. Yes, it was 30,200. क्लियर करना है पहले कैलसी को. 30,200 minus 400, so it comes to 29,200 plus 12,000. As I have told you, you'll write with pencil. Yes, what is the total? The total is 41,800. So you'll write with pencil here 41,800. Again you'll do the totaling. So this is 8560 plus 22700 plus 1,000 plus 1,250. So this is coming to 33,510. So this is coming to 33,510. Obviously कौन सा बड़ा है? 41,000. So आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे 41,800. सेम लाइन में यहाँ पे 41,800. आपको यहाँ पे डिफरेंस लिखना है. टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? माइनस 41,800. फर्स्ट विल क्लियर इट आउट बच्चा. 41,800 minus 33,510. So difference comes to 8290. So you are going to write here 8290 is your gross profit. And this pencil wala rub. We'll rub this off. Okay. This is only to find out. चलो हो गया. So it is 2 gross profit and carried down. Okay. चलो this gross profit carried down will be taken to your profit and loss account credit side. So you'll write here it is by gross profit brought down. Okay. Chalo, now totaling of this. Now this totaling become little bit difficult. First we'll bring everything outside. So now this is not there, so 0. So total of this comes to 1,000. 1,000 minus 500 is 500. Okay, so this we have done. Trade also we have done. This also totaling we have done. This also we have done. Okay, students. Chalo, we will do the totaling now. Yes, now totaling of your credit side. Okay. Your credit side totaling we'll do it later on. First we'll do the totaling of debit side because debit side is having more items. So first is 500 plus 1650, see here it is, and then plus 850 plus 2975 plus 2975. Okay, we have done 500, 1650, 850, 2195. And here it is 1800. So plus 1800. So the total is coming to 7. It is coming to 775. Okay. So your total is coming to, यहाँ का total है 7775. चलो क्रेडिट का देखते हैं, वहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 2 ही आइटम्स है. So we will not go in that preview method because you can easily do the totaling of this. So this totaling is 8290 plus 310. So this is coming to 8600. Okay. So your credit total is, obviously my credit is bigger, so 8600. Here also 8600. Now we are going to minus it. What figure will get? Minus 7775. So you're getting a profit of 825 rupees. So you're getting a profit of 825. Chalo, rub this off. Okay. Now this profit belongs to my 2 partners. And that will in the profit sharing ratio. So 2 capital account. Okay. What is a profit sharing ratio, students? You have to see it here. We are written here 2:1. What is your profit sharing ratio? 2:1. So your Archana, Prerna, yes, Archana, Prerna, divide by 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3, divide by 3, that comes to 275. So this person will get 275, other will get multiply by 2, so other person will get 550. So other person is getting, yes, 550. Now this profit will go in partners capital account on credit side. You're going to write here by profit and loss account. Okay. Yes. Person 550 and this person is getting 275. Okay. चलो now totaling. चलो यहाँ का totaling कितना आ रहा है? 20,000 plus 600 plus 275. The total is coming to 20,875. So 20,875. It will come here also 20,875. Now minus how much? 900. So minus 900, you are getting 19,975. So 19,975. Okay, चलो यहाँ का total कितना आ रहा है देखें. We'll do the totaling of this. 40,000 plus 1,200 plus 550. So that is coming to 41,750. 41,750. So here also 41,750. Okay. Chalo minus 1,200. So you are getting how much? 40,550. So 40,550. And this is to balance carried down. Okay, students. चलो दिस विल गो इन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. टोटलिंग एंड ऑल समझ में आ रहा है ना स्टूडेंट्स? वेरी गुड. चलो पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट में गोइंग टू द टोटलिंग. सो 40,550. Other person is 19,975. Now total of both this 40,550 plus 19,975. You are getting 60,525. Now last is your balance sheet ka total. Let's do balance sheet ka total. Again it is in the 2 page. So better I'll do in a preview method so that totaling becomes faster on my end. Student, आप लोग जब करोगे you will be making every account on the separate individual pages and one page will be enough for you to solve the problem. Okay. Now this is the partners capital account. चलो क्या 60,525 plus 3,000 plus 1,000 plus 17,500 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 300. So my total is coming to 87,525. I'm writing on my paper 87,525. This is my liability ka total. Now I'll do my asset ka total. 1750 plus 3,000 plus 2,000 plus 6,000, 300 plus 17,000, 700 plus 9,000, 800. Yes, 9,000, 800 plus 12,475 plus 5,000 plus 7,500 plus 12,000. Okay, so here also I'm getting the total 87,525. That means our balance sheet is tallied. So what is the total of your balance sheet? So you are going to write here total of the balance sheet is 87,525. 87,525. Okay students, this is the way you're supposed to do your final account. Student, practice it. Practice makes man perfect. Remember it. And this chapter is for 15 marks in the examination, so you can understand the importance of it. Okay, chalo, thank you very much. We'll be continuing with more 4-5 problems so that you understand the chapters nicely. Chalo, have a good day. Enjoy.